So hi guys, it's LaShawn here, living from the Martins, and today we're going to do a baddie press-on nail tutorial from Amazon. I got 2 sets of nails. Let me get them. I have 2 sets of nails from Amazon, both under $10, and we're gonna. I have to get on. I'm getting press-on nails because I'm gonna be going back to work soon. If you don't, it's some of you may or may not know, but I'm a nurse. That's my full-time job, and YouTube's my little side job for right now, till I get up there in YouTube. So press-on nails is what I have to do because we can't have acrylic nails. It's an infection control thing in the medical field at certain places. Now I know some places, nurses, they have full-on acrylic nails and their places don't have a problem with it. So for me to avoid all that and I spend money on getting acrylic nails, and then they tell me, oh, I gotta take them off, I'm just get these little press-on nails, and they still cute. So I got 2 sets, one a long set and one of like a short set. I figure I could use that more when I'm in the nursing field, so I could just pop them on and they shorten out. It won't stop me from doing what I need to do. So the first ones I got are these ones right here. They're a little abstract nails. And then the second one, I got these longer coffin nails. Let's see if it can focus. And with some clear nails with the little glitter and butterflies. So I think I'm gonna go with this one today. And it comes with this in the package already. So your alcohol, cuticle pusher, don't mind my nail. What is these? Nail filers. And it comes with glue in both packages, but I'm not going to be using that one at all. Let me grab the one I'm going to be using. I should have had this ready already, but I didn't. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Kiss pink nail glue. If it could focus. I got it at my local Dollar Tree, and you could get it too. I figured that one's gonna last a little bit longer. So let's get into this tutorial. Let's not waste any time. And if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. I'm on my road to 100 subscribers right now. Pretty soon we're gonna hit 100K. So I'm gonna be doing giveaways once I hit the first 100 subscribers, and then so on and so on once we hit 100K mark. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Okay, hey you guys, so I'm back. So the first step we're gonna do to these baddie nails are we're gonna clean them off with the alcohol prep pad that came in the package, and you can see me doing that here. We're gonna clean it off with alcohol just to make sure we got all the oil and dirt off of our hands so the nail can stick on better. Now we are gonna be cutting our nails. This is the time you could clean underneath your nails as well as this is an important step just to make sure that the nails adhere as well too, and you want to make sure that your own nails grow back even. So that's what you see me doing here, cutting it on both sides. I don't have that much to really cut since my nails are already short, but you get the gist of it. And I didn't show it here, but you could use a cuticle cutter as well just to make the look even better. So now I am pushing back my cuticles with the cuticle pusher that came with the pack of nails from Amazon, and this pack cost about $6, but it also had a 10% off like coupon code added on Amazon, so came out to be less than $6. And you're just gonna push back our cuticles to both sides, as you can see here. Just really want to make sure you push them back so it could fit on, so the nails could fit on better. Okay, so now we're gonna file the nails on both sides. We're doing this because once we put the glue on, it's gonna seek into those little crevices that we make with the nail file, so that it could better stick onto the press-on nail. And later, when I put on the press-on nails, I'll also be testing for like the sturdiness after we glue the nails. So we're just gonna do this to both sides. And then once you're done, we're going into the package and we're going to find which nail suits our fingernail the best. For those clear nails, I actually had to file it down so it could fit on my 2 fingers how I wanted to, because if not, it was only going to fit 1 finger, but I wanted to fit 2. So you guys could also do that, file the sides of the nails down if you have to, so it could be a better fit like I did. I didn't show it in the video, but that's what I did. But right here, I'm just making sure I have a snug fit for each nail before I set them aside to make sure that they're glued on properly. So once we get our nails all to the side, like you see here, I'm going to start gluing the nails on my nail. So I'm going to glue the base of my nail and a dot of glue to the press-on nail. And I'm just going to repeat this step to each of my nails on both hands, as you can see here. And make sure you press down for 15 seconds. That's what the directions say. And make sure there's no air bubbles. So now I'm testing them out, see if they're sturdy. Thanks for watching, guys.